Bugs suck. Not kidding. No amount of raid or insecticide could ever put my mind at ease. They make my skin crawl. Much like me, software and applications also hate bugs. All applications, even Facebook or Instagram, require functional or automation testing throughout the development cycle to ensure that there are no bugs in any given update. Any new function, like the attempt for every single social media application to copy TikTok, required functional testing of their new video features to ensure smooth operation. I'm Caleb Forch with Trust Radius, and here's some of the best functional and automation testing software that you can apply like mosquito repellent. Sauce Labs. Sauce Labs is a cloud-based platform that executes live, automated, and continuous testing on mobile and web applications for every step in the application building process. Users have praised the intuitive dashboard, specifically saying it is simple with a clean look. Also, the REST API is easy to use with its all-in-one platform. Developers can reuse functional API testing as API monitors, integrate the functional tests, reuse the functional tests as performance monitors, and allow users to import OpenAPI spec files for contract tests. The REST API is flexible with 3 ways to generate the tests, including HTTP client, importing into Sauce Labs, and using the Sauce Labs test composer. Sauce Labs cross-browser testing provides extra cushion to ensure that the applications are functioning, no matter the browser, device, or operating system. The cloud-based platform executes testing in parallel, which speeds up the testing time. Finally, users say that the support is responsive and helpful. Businesses can connect to the solution architects and developers. Looking at limitations users bring up, the network speed can be slow and unexpected. Additionally, some say that the open source support is lacking and needs some improvements. Sauce Labs pricing starts at $39 a month for 1 parallel test for their live testing plan, then $149 a month for 1 parallel test for the virtual cloud plan, and $199 a month for 1 parallel test for their real device cloud plan. A free trial is available to get started. Sauce Labs is best for any business with a product that requires mobile and/or app testing. It is especially great for products that are built from scratch within the company. Notable customers are Walmart, Visa, and Zillow. Tricentis Tosca. Tricentis Tosca is an intelligent test automation software that is AI-powered, codeless, and end-to-end, so it can test everything in a complex IT landscape. It claims to ensure business processes work flawlessly no matter where changes occur. Users praise Tricentis Tosca for being a codeless testing solution, resulting in more flexibility and accelerated testing. They also say that the training offerings for new users are exceptional and come with plenty of training materials and tutorials directly on the website. Since it is codeless, less technical individuals can learn the ins and outs of Tricentis Tosca. Some users describe Tosca as the ultimate all-in-one solution for testing, since it covers a broad spectrum of testing: API testing, exploratory testing, mobile testing, system integration testing, regression testing, and more. Finally, a unique feature users bring up is Vision AI, a next-generation technology emulating how a human sees. This technology creates test automation based on the design mockups rather than the code. Looking at the limitations users bring up, they do say that despite being codeless, there is a steep learning curve, especially for users unfamiliar with automation. Some have also said that the user interface can be overwhelming, and finally, a few reviewers bring up that the pricing can be expensive. Speaking of, Tricentis Tosca's pricing is not published, so you will need to reach out for a quote. Tricentis Tosca is best for large-scale projects or packaged applications that require a lot of collaboration with many employees. Some notable customers include Dell, Experian, and Dolby. TestComplete. TestComplete from SmartBear is an automated UI testing tool. It combines property-based and AI-powered visual recognition for testing. Users praise TestComplete's GUI object recognition feature, which detects and tests every UI component, storing it in one object repository. Some developers with needs for multiple scripting languages enjoy that they can write functional tests in those varied languages. Specifically, TestComplete is compatible with 7 languages: JavaScript, Python, VBScript, JScript, DelphiScript, C#, and C+. Users like that TestComplete can test all applications on multiple platforms, like desktop testing, mobile testing, or web testing. UI testing is done on desktop applications like .NET, Java, and Windows 10, web testing for JavaScript frameworks like React, and mobile testing for iOS and Android devices. Finally, users like the integrations with other reputable tools like Atlassian Bamboo, Git, Jenkins, Selenium, to name a few. There's even the option to convert keyword-driven test scripts into different script languages. Looking at limitations users bring up, they say that the interface needs work. It's been described as clunky compared to competitors, and some users mention that TestComplete had issues with completely recognizing all objects, and it does take time to troubleshoot why those objects were left out. TestComplete pricing plans start at $1,210 per year for a fixed base plan and $2,720 per year for a floating base plan. They do offer a free trial to get started. TestComplete is best for users who are comfortable writing scripts and for applications that require a lot of object mapping. Many common users are larger companies featuring customers like Cisco, JP Morgan, and General Motors. Short of living inside of a fumigation fog, bugs are a part of life, but you can mitigate them with your software and applications. Have you used any of these or have a different functional and automation testing tool that you prefer? Let us know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more, and head over to trustradius.com for detailed reviews, comparisons, and software alternatives.